Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Bird flu detected in Dodge Company dairy cattle. A case of highly pathogenic avian flu, HPAI, has been detected in a dairy herd in Dodge County, Wisconsin. This is the first detection of HPAI in dairy cattle in Wisconsin. The affected farm has been quarantined, and any sick cattle will be separated for further treatment. There is no concern about the safety of the commercial milk supply or consumer health, as milk products are pasteurized before entering the market. The CDC considers the human health risk for this virus to be low. Cattle and poultry owners are encouraged to register their premises with the Wisconsin Department of Agriculture, Trade and Consumer Protection, DATCP, to help officials communicate with owners during disease outbreaks. Livestock and poultry owners should continue monitoring their herd and flock health, and report any signs of illness to DATCP, rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak